Hello everyone, welcome to Success Education. Today we'll be doing the workbook solution for social science for standard 6, chapter number 4, that is early states of political system in India. Before that, if you have not subscribed my channel till now, please do subscribe it for more videos. So we'll be starting with the MCQs. How many Mahajan Padas were there? It's option number C, 16. Second, in which period Mahajan Padas were there? It's option number C, post-Vedic. Third, which of the following states was called a republic? It's option number D, Vaishali. Fourth, how many types of state systems were established in Janpadas? It's option number B, 2. Fifth, from which scripture is the information about political system in India not found? It's option number C, Bhagavad Gita. Sixth, how was the form of statehood in Vedic period? It's option number B, Kabilai rule, that is tribal governance system. Seventh, in the sense of what was the word Janpad used? It's option number A, state. Eighth, according to which book written in Pali language were there 16 Mahajanpadas in the post-Vedic period? It's option number D, Anguttara Nikaya. Ninth, which was the capital of Malla Mahajanpada? It's option number C, Kushinara. 10th, Shravasti was the capital of which Mahajanpada? It's option number C, Kosal. 11th, the state territory of which Mahajanpada was the region near Delhi and Meerut? It's option number D, Kuru. 12th, Viratnagar was the capital of which Mahajanpada? It's option number B, Matsya. 13th, who was considered president in the monarchy system? It's option number D, king. 14th, which of the following states had a monarchy system? It's option number A, Magad. 15th, which of the following was called republic state? It's option number C, Vaishali. 16th, which state was the most powerful among the 16 Mahajanpadas? It's option number B, Magad. 17th, who established Haryanka dynasty? It's option number D, Bimbisara. 18th, in whose times did Patliputra, that is Patna, become the capital of Magad? It's option number B, Ajat Shatru. 19th, which of the following kings was the ruler of the Nag dynasty? It's option number C, Shishunag. 20, who created the first empire in India? It's option number B, Mahapadmanand. 21, which king ruled over Magad when Sikandar invaded India? It's option number D, Dhananand. 22, what status was given to each member in the republic state? It's option number A, king. 23, what was the main center of Vajji Union State Republic? It's option number D, Vaishali. 24, who had the power of the state in the republic? It's option number C, members. 25, what was the name of the place where the Sabha met in a republic? It's option number A, sanctum. 26, what was the form of administration of republic states? It's option number C, democratic. 27, in republic states, which committee would assist the president in state administration? It's option number D, executive committee. 28, what part of farming did the farmers use to give as tax to the treasury in Mahajanpada governance system? It's option number B, 6th. 29, what did the cattle rearers give as a part of tax? It's option number D, cattles. Now we'll continue with question number 2, that is fill in the blanks. First one, the head was called Rajanya in the Kabilai rule, that is tribal governance system. Second, the word Janpad was used in the sense of state. Third, the area near Gorakhpur was a boundary area of Malla Mahajanpada. Fourth, Vaishali was the capital of Vajji Mahajanpada. Fifth, the book Anguttara Nikaya is written in Pali language. Sixth, the capital of Magad was Rajgre. Seventh, Ajashatru made Patliputra the capital. Eighth, Nanda dynasty established by Mahapadmanand was the most powerful dynasty. Ninth, the common meaning of Gana is mass. 10th, the state of the king chosen by the people was called republic state. 11th, the main center of Vajji state of Union states was Vaishali, the capital of Lichavis. 12th, in republic, the place where meeting was held was called sanctum. 13th, In the Republic time, more often people used the vessels made from clay. 14th, in Republic time, painted clay vessel was called painted vessel. 15th, artisans used to work one day in a month for the state in Republic time. 16th, during the time of Mahajanpadas, farming was improved due to the use of iron tools. Now we'll continue with question number 3, that is true or false. First one, Janpad means the position given to the man, it is false. Second, about 20 Mahajanpads are seen in India around the 6th century BC, it's false. Third, Champa was the capital of Anga Mahajanpada, it is true. Fourth, Lajpur was the capital of Gandhar Mahajanpada, it is false. Fifth, in the time of Buddha, the state of Magad became a powerful Mahajanpada, it is true. Sixth, Bimbisara and Ajashatru were the great kings of Avanti, it is false. Seventh, Shishunag was associated with Jainism, it is false. Eighth, Nag dynasty came to the power after the Haryanka dynasty in Magad, it is true. Ninth, the name of Bimbisara's son was Ajashatru, it is true. 10th, the republic is the state ruled by the head elected directly or indirectly by the people, it is true. 11th, the state governed with the help of more than one member can be called a republic, it is true. 12th, the union state formed by the republic states was known as Maha-Union state, it is false. 13th, only elders were selected as a member in the assembly of republic states, it is false. 14th, the people lived in simple houses in the time of republic states, it is true. 15th, all the works in the republic assembly were passed unanimously, it is true. 16th, cattle rearers used to give grains as a part of a tax in republic time, it is false. Now we'll continue with question number 4, that is match the following. First part, first one, Lichavi, it's option number 5, Vaishali. Second, Shakya, it's option number 4, Kapilvastu. Third, Videha, it's option number 1, Mithila. Fourth, Malla, it's option number 3, Kushinara. Now the second part of match the following. First one, Ang, it's option number 3, Champa. Second, Panchal, it's option number 1, Ahichhatra or Kampilia. Third, Sursena, it's option number 5, Mathura. Fourth, Kamboj, it's option number 2, Lajpur. Now the third part of match the following. First one, Vats, it's option number 4, the region near Prayagraj, that is Uttar Pradesh. Second, Avanti, it's option number 1, the region of Malwa. Third, Matsya, it's option number 5, the region near Jaipur, that is in Rajasthan. And fourth, Kamboj, it's option number 3, the region near southwest Kashmir. Now we'll continue with question number 5, that is answer the following questions in 1 or 2 sentences. First one, which political organizations existed in the Vedic period? The political organizations named Sabha, that is assembly, and Samiti, that is committee, existed in the Vedic period. Second, by what other name was the community known in earlier state system? Community was known by the name Vish in earlier state system. Third, when and in which area were the earlier states established in India? In India, the earlier states were established about 1000 BC in the area of Punjab and Ganga river. Fourth, which type of state system was the Janpad? The Janpad was a state system of Rigvedic age developed in a very special way from the Kabilai rule. Fifth, which 2 types of governance systems were there in Mahajanpadas? There were 2 types of governance systems in Mahajanpadas as follows. First one, monarchy, and second number is republic. Sixth, at present, what is considered as the boundary area of Kuru Mahajanpada? At present, the region near Delhi and Meerut is considered as the boundary area of Kuru Mahajanpada. Seventh, which period is considered as the period of Mahajanpada in India? Post-Vedic period is considered as the period of Mahajanpada in India. 8. Among which states was there competition for power? There was a competition among states like Magad, Kosal, Vatsa, and Avanti for power. Ninth, which were the two great kings of the Haryanka dynasty? The two great kings of the Haryanka dynasty were Bimbisara and Ajatshatru. 10th, who changed the capital of Magad where? The capital of Magad was Rajgiri, that is Girivraj, but Ajatshatru changed it to Patliputra, that is Patna, as the capital of Magad. 11th, with whom did Ajatshatru fight and extend the area of the state of Magad? Ajatshatru fought with Vajji Union, defeated Lichavis and extended the area of the state of Magad. 12. Who was considered to be the first Indian emperor? Mahapadmanand, the king of Nanda dynasty, was considered to be the first Indian emperor. 13th, which three powerful dynasties ruled over Magad in post-Vedic period? The three powerful dynasties ruled over Magad in post-Vedic period were: first one Haryanka dynasty, second Nag dynasty, and third Nanda dynasty. 14th, what is called republic state? The state ruled by the head, elected directly or indirectly by the people, is called republic state. 15th, the states of which people are included in republic states? The Lichavis of Vaishali, Shakyas of Kapilvastu, Videha of Mithila, Malla of Kushinara, etc. states of the people are included in republic states. 16th, why would the state be called a republic? The governance of the state administration was done by the Sabha, so it was called republic. 17th, what is sanctum? In republic states, the place where meeting was held was called sanctum. 18th, which crops did the people of republic states grow? The people of republic states used to grow wheat, rice, barley, sugarcane, sesame, mustard, etc. 19th, how were some of the vessels that were found in the republic time? Some of the vessels found in the republic time were painted with grey color. Now we'll continue with question number 6, that is answer the following questions. First one, introduce the Haryanka dynasty as the dynasty ruling over Magad. Bimbisara was the founder of this dynasty. Headquarter or the capital of Magad was Rajgiri, that is Girivraj, which was situated on the banks of river Ganga and Sun river. After him, his son Ajatshatru came to the power and made Patliputra, that is Patna, his capital. He fought a war with Vajji Union and defeated Lichavis. In this way, he extended the rule of Magad. Second, why did the rulers of Mahajanpads build strong forts? The monarchy states of republic time became ambitious to establish empires by increasing their powers on their surrounding territories. In these circumstances, the rulers of Mahajanpads built strong and high forts of stones and bricks around the capital for the defense of their states and had huge armies. Moreover, some of the kings built large, tall, and magnificent walls around their kingdoms to show their power and prosperity. Third, state the four characteristics of the governance of the republics. The administration of the republic states was governed by the Sabha. Members of the Sabha enjoyed all the powers. Elders and youth were selected as members of the Sabha. The place of the Sabha was known as sanctum. In republic states, each member was considered as the king. An executive committee assisted the president of the republic in state administration. Fourth, state briefly the difference between the monarchy and democratic state. So you need to write the difference between the state policy of monarchy and the state policy of democracy. So the first point is, the king is the chief in monarchy state policy and representatives elected by the people are chief in this policy. Second point, the king is supreme in a monarchy and the head, that is the president of the house, is main in democracy. Third, there are cabinet ministers to help the king in state administration in monarchy and the cabinet helps the president in state administration in democracy. Fourth, the position of the king is hereditary in monarchy, and the people of the region elect their representative in the democracy. And here we come to the end of chapter number 4, that is early states of political system in India. I hope you have understood the complete chapter. If you have any doubts, you can write in the comments section. I'll surely try to answer all the questions. Thank you for watching my video and do subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you.